Yo, look what I just got. Let's be honest, finding cheap flights online can feel like chasing a myth. You search for hours, prices jump, and somehow your friend still finds a $200 ticket to Paris. So how do they do it? I'll show you exactly how I use AI tools and smart automations to find $200 flights anywhere in the world without wasting hours on Google Flights. This isn't just another list of travel websites. This is about using artificial intelligence to predict, compare, and automate deals faster and smarter than any travel agent. Here's what most people do wrong. They open Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Expedia, type in a destination, and settle for whatever pops up. But flight prices change constantly, and sometimes 20 times a day. And by the time you refresh the page, that $300 deal is gone.
AI solves this by doing what humans can't. It monitors thousands of routes 24/7, tracks pricing behavior, and alerts you the moment prices drop.
Let's start with ChatGPT. Most people use it for writing emails or recipes, but here's the secret. When paired with travel plugins like Kayak, Skyscanner, or Expedia extensions, ChatGPT becomes your personal flight hacker. You can literally type, "Find me round-trip flights under $250 from Miami to anywhere in Europe in November," and it will instantly compare routes, flexible dates, and airlines, even ones not visible in normal searches. It's like having an AI travel agent who never sleeps and knows every deal the second it appears. Next, predictive AI tools like Hopper or Google Flights AI Predictor. These platforms use historical flight data and machine learning to forecast price trends, so you know exactly when to buy. For example, Hopper's AI might tell you, "Wait 5 days, this flight usually drops $80 based on the last 3 years of data." It's not guessing, it's pattern recognition at scale. I set alerts through these AI tools for flexible destinations, like anywhere in South America under $200. Then I let automation do the work. The second a deal hits my price range, I get a notification, and boom, flight booked. Here's where it gets even smarter. I use a simple Zapier automation that connects flight deal newsletters like Going, formerly Scott's CheapFlights, to ChatGPT or my email filter. The AI filters only deals that match my budget or bucket list destinations, and summarizes them daily. Instead of scrolling through 50 emails, I get one AI-generated digest that says, "Round trip Miami to Lisbon, $228 nonstop, best time to book within 48 hours. That saves me hours and filters out the noise. It's smarter, faster, and personalized. So why does this method work better than the usual travel hacks? Because traditional tools react to price drops. AI predicts and personalizes them. Most YouTube travel hacks rely on tricks like incognito mode or clearing cookies, and which, let's be honest, barely move the needle in 2025. AI flips the game. It analyzes price history, detects airline sales before they trend, and customizes alerts to your spending habits. You're not chasing deals. The deals are chasing you. That's why I've flown to Portugal, Costa Rica, and Tokyo for under $200 round trip each. Not once, but multiple times. So if you want to travel more in 2025 without breaking the bank, start thinking like an AI. Set up predictive alerts, automate your deal searches, and let machine learning do the heavy lifting. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe, because next week I'll show you how I use AI to find luxury hotels for half the price. Your next $200 flight is just one smart search away.